Remember you said, whenever I call, you will answer me. You will say, knock on my door, you will open the door. You're right here.
Help me, Messiah, help me.
Only you can do it.
Help me,
Hey,
Jehovah, help
sing it over again now.
Help me, Messiah, help me.
You did it for Jabez.
Help me,
Hey,
Jehovah, help me.
I've been crying for days and nights, many questions within my heart. Has Jehovah forsaken me? Family and friends rejected me. I'm willing to remember, never let me be ashamed. And each man from my wipe away my tears. You dig up my way. You are the Lord that changed it. Oh Lord, I say,
Help me, Messiah, help me.
only you I know.
Help me, Jehovah,
God of yesterday, today, now, come
help
forever.
me, Messiah, help me.
Come on, do it, oh God. I
Jehovah, help me.
call upon me, I will answer you today. Remember me, oh Lord, come and answer me today. You see, He can do the strength of my life. Ngala Jesus do more, the pillar